All right, folks, we're back. Chuck here. Let's see. Chuck's out there putting some concrete and some tires, laying some concrete, eh, Chuck?
I love it.
We brushed a hot batch of resin on here, and because we're in a hurry, we're going to help it. With a little heat, throw a little heat on it. This is not a secret, but it is a trick. You can do it with epoxy too. Most epoxies have timed hardeners. So adding a little heat to it can change it, but its characteristics, its full strength hardening won't really change all that much by adding heat a bit. But I mean, you're not going to make a 55-minute epoxy harden in 25 minutes. I don't care how much heat, unless you light it on fire. But that's it. We're going to throw a little heat to this thing. I can smell it. She's cooking. She's frying now. Gotta get this thing hardened up. We busted out the old bucket of down there. You see that white bucket there? That's some filler resin that already has a heavy filler right in it from the manufacturer. We can make it ourselves. You see in them old videos where I use the microspheres or the little micro balloons to make a thick, like peanut butter paste. Literally make our own filler, but that's filler resin. That's more like mayonnaise than peanut butter. You like your salad dressing. But the filler resin's going to fill a lot of this stuff up, so we don't need a lot of Bondo. Save us some time. That's it. We'll bring you some more soon. See you, folks.